Okay, this is the continuation of the dryer repair effort that my brother and my parents started. Thank you for ordering these parts. RepairClinic.com. Rear dryer drum bearing kit. Bam. Bunch of parts. First thing you need is a tool. Pow! Butter knife. Boom. Boom. Pop these open. Pow. Okay. This is what Edwin showed me, I guess. And then we're going to take this out. Take that out, Dante.
What? I have solitaire.
Yeah. Good job, son. Now, disconnect that. Go ahead. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Okay, now we go back to the back side of the dryer. And Haley, my daughter, take those screws out. Good job. Okay. Now, we're going to take a look at the belt and pulley system. Thank you for holding the flashlight, Haley. That's great. There's the spring. We're going to remove that spring, and then look at how the belt's set up. It goes down and under. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, see the belt goes across horizontally that way. Good, good, good. And the spring. Okay, now we need to remove this door right here. And to do that, we're gonna remove that screw.
And that screw.
And
right there.
that screw. Okay. So now that the door is gone, show this part, Haley. Alright. Gotta take this out. Take this out. Alright. Here, Haley, show this part. We'll probably be replacing this. And replacing, this is the part that we received. We're going to replace that too. Film it from the backside, Haley. Should be easy to get out. Okay, stop. We open the bag, and this is what's in the bag. One of them, one of them, one of them, 3 screws, 2 big ones, and a ball bearing, and some lubricant. Alright, taking this bad boy out. This came from the other side. Alright, stop. Boom. Stop.
Can I show you?
Right? Question is, how does it go in this sucker? And film this, Dante. All this. Okay. See, this flexure design right here, I think its intent is to keep this ball bearing retained in here. And then, oh! And then you screw it down, and then it keeps it retained in there with that flexure, and then on the other side it protrudes just like that. Okay, cool. Okay, now we're going to take these guys, put it together. Follow me. Oh, I need this guy. That's good enough. good enough. Okay, I see. This is a flexure design, Dante, right here. This thing is flexible. It pushes in and out, and the ball bearing will be installed from the other side and push against that. Okay, we got it in there. Okay, we're gonna put some lubricant. This is a high temperature lubricant on this Haley. On this thing, on this ball. More. Here.
What does it do, Daddy?
It prevents
Your fingers.
friction. Friction from causing excessive wear and tear. Okay.
Why is it yellow?
Pause. It's good enough. So when this whole saga started, the dryer was making noises like so we gotta check it now and see if it squeaks like hell. Ah. Oh.
No more burnt clothes.
Give him one of those, man. Oh.